Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video where I'm gonna show you how to make money by doing nothing. And I don't exactly mean nothing, I mean you should do something, and it's just very easy. And all you have to do is clicking on emojis, and by doing that you will earn $30 per click. And also I have to say that this website is totally free and you can do whenever and wherever you want, and it doesn't need investment, and you can do it from every country you are from. So just watch the rest of the video and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Let's go. The website's address is flaticon.com, and you can access 8 million plus vector icons and stickers. And all the icons and stickers you see on the main page of the website, you can also download it and use it on your phone, on your photos you are editing, or whatever you want. And we will start the earning by clicking on the sign up button on top right. After you create your account, scroll to the bottom of the website and you will see apps button, and after that you should click on pattern generator, and once you do it, a window will open to you and you will be on the pattern generator page. And on that page you will see tons of emojis that you can use on a pattern, and after you choosing some of them and use it on your pattern, and after you finish with emojis, you can change the color of your background, and after that you have to make sure that your art is done. And once your art is done, I want you to press green download button. You must choose PNG format after clicking it. There are many different formats as you can see, but I want you to select PNG. Make sure that the tile size is 350, for the image size that's 700, and this is 350. This is a sneak peek at your creation. Once you're pleased, simply click download pattern to save design to your computer. And one tip that I should tell you is that you can do it on your phone, on your laptop, or your tablet. So be free to choose for what do you want to work with. That's your first design. And after you've done that, click on erase button and make another pattern. In this time you have another option that will make your work very simple. You have a random generator on your screen that when you click on it, it will make a design very randomly and makes your work a lot easier, and you can feel free to edit it however you want. And before I teach you the rest of it, please make sure to be subscribed to our channel. It will help us a lot to show you guys the different ways of earning online money. After doing all of that, you have to visit website 99designs.com, and you have to do it whenever you are ready and you have enough pattern designs to sell on the website. And how does the 99designs.com works? After you finished all your patterns and you check 99designs.com, you have to make your patterns for sale, and by selling 30 designs you will earn $299. By selling 60 designs you will earn $500. By selling 90 designs you will earn $900. It's really simple to make patterns and sell it on 99designs.com, but all you need is time and creativity to make interesting patterns to sell on the website. So feel free to make hundreds or thousands of patterns and sell it on 99patterns.com. And it's simple because when you do the random generator, you can change the emojis, you can change the background color, and you can change the places of the emojis are on your design. How to register on 99designs.com. I will show you how to do it right now. So go to 99designs.com and scroll to bottom of the page, and you will see a become a designer button. When you click it, you will be directed to another page. So you scroll to bottom of that page too and find the apply now button. It's red and you can find it easily. When you click this button, you will be sent to a page where you can create a free account. Put your email address and password and make sure you check the I am a designer box. You should also enter your display name here and check the I have read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy box. After filling out all the necessary information, click the register button. You can then begin uploading to this website and selling your designs. And it depends on how many concepts you can upload. And for a bonus tip, I will show you another website that you can upload your downloaded designs you have made. You can go to fiverr.com, give services to the customers that visit the website. And by doing that, you can make those designs and sell them to the customers. So you look under the graphic and designs section and you will find art and illustration, and underneath that you can click on pattern designs, and after you click on that you will see another pattern designs that people sell on the website for thousands of dollars. And you can doing that by making all of the designs and earn more money. And don't forget that you can upload your patterns to both websites and sell them on the websites. So this video was about flaticon.com and the ways you can earn money from that website. So thank you for your time, and be sure to leave a like and comment if this video was helpful and informative for you. Be the best and see you guys in a bit.